Like Saturdays in the rocket summer, blue skies in the morning's air. Like you like me. There's something wrong with this picture. Let's turn it upside down so we can see the insecurities caused by the last 4 years of economic downsizing in the eastern U.S. Like February long with Tilly and the wall, pretty pictures and shirts that are too small for my childlike figure that you're so in love with.
Pwede ka sa Sabado, may program kami sa school.
Ano?
Hindi pwede si Mami.
Matagal na kasi tayo hindi nagkaka-family time eh. Oo nga, hindi na po tayo nagbabanding.
Ginagawa namin to kasi gusto ko namin bigyan ng magandang pinapagawa. Kristen, did you tell them that we will eat our dinner together?
They were not yet home. Sino siya? Hello! Asa ka ba? Papunta na ako! Ito na!
Daw!
Suntukan!
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 Hoy, suntukan daw! Hoy! Suntukan daw!
Suntukan! Ay, ano to? Kita de la Fe.
Wala, suntukan na lang.
La, mading.
Ding!
Suntukan! Suntukan!
Pass.
Repaload na ito. Repaload ko.
Wala daw.
Hindi ko tayo kabiling salsahan. Wish, anong... Di ba yung Shiga? O, pre.
Bakit?
Papabarangay kita.
Problema mo.
Tama na, tol. Papabarangay kita, tol. Silam! Tol! Tol, silam! Tama na, tol. Tol! Ayan na, suntukan na. Suntukan na kami. Oo! Ay, Bunso, lumaban ka naman. Okay.
Oh, tol, tama na.
Nangyari sa'yo!
Kahit ano nangyari sa'yo? Kuya, ano nangyari sa'yo? Oo nga, oo nga.
The relationships of the family are often neglected because of our own choices. We choose to have a successful life in terms of material things, but our family suffers. We need to look at our relationships like they were plants in a garden. Each plant needs watering, care, wedding, sunshine, and yes, rain too.